Drones are fun to fly and come with a number of features that make it easy to use. The rechargeable drone is made with plastic and is suitable for kids above the age of 12. The Jack Royal FPV drones are strongly established, easy impelled, various flight movement, stronger, wild resident, and easy to control both indoor and outdoor. The drone has a rechargeable battery. The drone has 1.3 camera and can fly up to 50 meter high. It has a fly time of 8 to 10 minutes. It can do 360-degree spin and flip, so you can move it forward, backward, take a turn left, turn right, and also do 360-degree tumbling flipping. You can easy to control the drone with its app from your mobile phone also. The dimension of the product are 15 into 15 into 4 centimeter. Its weight 499 gram. Other features including are exceeds descent, turn left, right, side fly, overing, hand launch, 360-degree rolling, LED light, video recording, FPV, real time, etc. These are the some features I provided for you, and thank you for watching.